That's the last one. I think that's the last one.
So from the drum you see here, the gears you opened before. So in order to solve that problem, we'll have to open it again. There we go. So this is what we're working on.
Oh, this oil. Oh dear. Holy cow. Holy cow. Holy cow. Oh, okay.
So after losing the filter, I had to test the solenoid. These are the solenoids. This is 1, 2, 3. So on my examination, I just noticed that this wire, see, this wire has already been cut off from here. So this is obviously one of the problem that the guy is having. So, but that aside, I still have to go ahead and test the solenoid. So this is how I do test from under here, because I hope this. Just watch. Put it in the first one. I cannot hold this phone and be doing this, but I'll try. Let's start from this one. So, I hope this thing is doing very well. So, you had a clicking sound. This one is working. Second one. You hear the sound? It's clicking. Third one. You see? There's no clicking sound. That means this one is not working. This solenoid is not working. But these two are working. So we'll be losing on this back body. And also this wire too. So this wire will also be joining it back.
Instead of losing the whole valve body down, because the problem is just the solenoid, so we decided to lose the two bolts. Sorry, two bolts that were holding it. This one and the second one here. To lose it and bring it out. So this is what the solenoid looks like. So this is sensor, we've lost it down. So we want to test it right to the battery. This is how we test it. Show light here. You see, every time we do it, it gives. You see the face. See, but the ticking is not strong. So we'll try and service it and see if it will work. Our main focus is going to be on this wire. So from what I've seen, this is the solenoid A, and this is what the car is reporting. This one. So I'll peel to this side. I'll do something to this side and peel it on, then socket it. I think this wire is our problem. This solenoid, the solenoid is working. It's a one-way valve. Let me see. This is what I mean. This solenoid is a one-way valve. It doesn't really mean it's bad. It works with gravity. So this is what I mean. So from everything I've seen, this is our problem. This wire here is our problem. This wire that I cut inside has been the problem of this gearbox. So we'll be joining it now and then couple the gear back. I've also serviced this one, it's working. So put it back where it belongs. Okay, there we go. Next thing is to join this wire. So we don't need tape here because this wire has it has this rubber inside here. So with this rubber, just slide it in. Okay, it's not going freely, so we turn the opposite way. So just slide it in. It's inside now. That's it. So this one goes in here. The yellow wire goes in here. Okay. Make it closer so I can see it very well. Goes in, and that's it. That's it. Next thing we'll put the filter, then we'll couple the bottom plates. Okay, so we are about mounting back the half cover. Put it to come round. So just make sure there is no oil on the face so that to avoid leakage. So first things first. So if this works, this will be one of the cheapest gearbox ever repaired. So the fault on this vehicle is that the reverse is very sharp. When you engage the reverse, it's sharp, just moves. When you put it on drive, the car doesn't move. It delays. You can't climb the hill with it. You can't. You will need to fire it, beyond the normal range before it starts moving. I know such problem damages the valve body. Sorry, the fiber, which I hope has not been damaged at this time of this repair. So we are doing now is we are guiding the boats. After guiding the boats, run them in. So we are through with the Honda. We'll start. Okay, car has security. Forgot for a minute. So we'll start, and then we'll raise him. Then we'll scan and see if the fault code is still there. Let's see anyway. So he says that the vehicle has no fault. So I think we've solved that problem. So we'll go ahead and put the tires on there. Test drive the car on the road. So, okay, that reminds me there is a maintenance required. Let's remove that lights. Let's remove that lights from the maintenance required. In our workshop we take time to fix your cars and give you the best. Holy moly. Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay. So if you look and you hold this button while ignition, you will see that light blinking. The light will reset. So you see, maintenance required is gone. Okay, so next thing, put in the tires. Slide back there and run down. Okay, pause on. The first test to be to climb the hill, this hill, with this car. If you climb it easily, then you know the gear is okay. Very easy, Abby. That was the first test. Very easy. So our gear is good.